How can you make money online with Global Domains International? Hi, I'm Carol Reve, and that's what we're going to talk about today. We're going to talk about how my team traffic can benefit you and how you can be added to multiple rotators. Okay? The only way onto the rotators is join from it, and then you get to benefit from our team traffic. You can choose premium or even higher earning potential. Now, once you opt into that page, to this page that we were just on, okay, it takes you over to this page, this video, okay, it's a very good 5-minute video, and you can also get this whole system set up for you. Yeah, it's very easy, 3 steps. You just decide which button you want to come in from, and then you email me your GDI username and who your sponsor is, and then you watch for my welcome email. The welcome email has all the information on it, all the share codes so that you can duplicate this. The basic membership level gets you on 2 rotators, while the premium membership gets you on 3 rotators. And I just want you to, and this week we got over 45,000 hits, okay, to our team page. And this was the page that I just sent you to, or that we just came from. That is the link of this. I send this out every Friday, but you have to be opted in. What does that mean? You have to come in here and put your email in here to get the Friday hit count sent to you. And I also send out whenever somebody gets a sign up from the team, I also send that out. But you have to be opted in. Now, I just wanted to say something here with Lead Sleep. This is a hit count right here. And if you're sending thousands and thousands of hits to a page and it's not converting, you're only getting 1 opt-in or maybe 2 opt-ins. Let's say you're sending 10,000 hits to something and you've only gotten 1 opt-in. Either the system needs to change or your traffic needs to change. Okay? You really should be getting better conversion rate than that. All right? Here you see 1,700 here, and she's got 3 opt-in. 3,002 opt-in. Okay? Here's 300 hits with 2 opt-in. Okay, 800 hits and 1 opt-in. Okay, so check this when you're looking for things, okay? Check this and see, because when you look into your stats count, it will even tell you, because I have this set up with the names. Normally when you go and log in, your Lead Sleep account will also tell you where the traffic's coming from and where you're getting the action from. So just simply go to what traffic is getting you the opt-ins and do more of that traffic and less of the other traffic, okay? Okay, so that's it for now. I just wanted to say to check on your hits. If you're sending like 11,000 hits and only getting 1 opt-in, okay, while others are doing a little bit better, you need to change your traffic up perhaps, or it's probably not. There's traffic exchanges, okay? It's okay traffic. It's not as good as the social media traffic. But, you know, this is part of our team traffic. It's traffic exchanges, it's safe list, it's social media. It is a lot of traffic that we're getting, okay? But check your traffic, because like I said, you can get the system and this system converts. We're getting signups from this, okay? This video does all the selling and telling for you, and then you get the rotator set up. I have a training on how to set all of this up, a video training step by step on how to set all this up. And then I also will go on a Zoom with you if you need help with how to set the rotators. That's all you need once you get this set up, is adding people to your rotators. Alrighty, so this is how you build GDI. This is how you can benefit from my team traffic. Okay, this is how you can be successful in 2026 and beyond. Okay, God bless and take care, and like, subscribe, and share this if this helped you, this video, and to get on my team. And remember, the only way onto the road is to join from either one of these two buttons. Will get you on either 2 rotators or 3 rotators. Alrighty, God bless, take care, and have a wonderful day.